Departure flight 2517. Keep it rolling, cross runway 26 right, and call ground, point 1, traffic holding in position.
We'll keep rolling, cross 26 right, contact ground, French flight 2517, good night.
That was 1822, 26 left.
Secretary 109er, turn left on Yankee, the high speed.
Left Yankee on the high speed, Secretary 109.
Spirit wings 396, northerly on the roll, wind 3609er, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 26 right, Frank, 396.
Departure flight 2017, hold short, 26 right.
Hold short, 26 right, French flight 2517.
Thank you, Sun Country 109er, left turn here on Bravo, cross runway 19er left and ground point 1.
Bravo, cross 19 left, ground point 1, Country 109.
Spirit wings 2123, Las Vegas Tower, traffic will cross downfield, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
26 right, line up and wait, Spirit wings 2123.
Departure flight 2517, traffic hold in position, cross runway 26 right, Alpha 6 and ground point 1.
Cross 26 right, Alpha 6, contact ground, French flight 2517.
Spring is 2517 to Bravo 7 Charlie.
Bravo 7 Charlie, French flight 2517.
Hey, ground, it's 2517. I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
Hey, tower cleared us to cross 25 right, then he cleared a guy to take off. Just want to make sure that we weren't hearing that there was a potential conflict there.
There is no clearance for takeoff. The guy was holding there at the end there. There's a guy crossing behind you, so there's nobody taking off.
No, we got a clearance to cross 26 right. He said keep it rolling. As I was getting ready to cross the whole short line, he cleared the guy holding position to go. So I had to jump on the brakes. So I just want to make sure that's clarified.
And Frontier, prefer to cross on the 2517?
Hey, firm.
Okay, I'll double check with him.
Yeah, so he said keep it rolling, cross 25 right, go ground. And then as I was getting ready to cross the line, he cleared the guy holding position hold to go. I stopped, and then as I was stopping, he told me to hold short. So I just want to make sure that was clarified there.
Okay, I'll ask him.